Hello, foodie friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we take you on a flavorful journey through the world of food and drink. Today, we have something truly special for you, the world's most expensive coffee, Kopi luwak. Kopi luwak is no ordinary coffee. It's rather a coffee with a unique and fascinating story. The secret behind this precious coffee lies in the role of a remarkable creature, the civet cat. Meet the civet cat, a small, nocturnal, and solitary feline species found in parts of Asia, such as Indonesia, the Philippines, and Vietnam. These creatures are known for their remarkable adaptation to life in the lush coffee-growing regions of their habitat. Civet cats are tree-dwelling animals, and they're often found in the dense canopies of tropical rainforests. They are known for their exceptional agility, enabling them to move gracefully through the treetops. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, insects, and small mammals. But what makes them famous in the world of coffee is their affinity for coffee cherries. Civet cats are selective in choosing the ripest cherries, a behavior that is central to the production of Kopi luwak. These cats are territorial creatures and establish their territory, which they mark with their unique scent markings. They build nests high in the trees, creating cozy shelters for themselves and their offspring. Civet cats are known for their remarkable digestive system. When they consume coffee cherries, their stomach acids break down the fruit's pulp, leaving the coffee beans inside virtually untouched. The beans are then excreted in the cat's feces. The process of turning these excreted beans into the coveted Kopi luwak is nothing short of extraordinary. Once the beans are collected from the wild or from captive civet cats, they undergo a meticulous cleaning process. This involves washing, fermentation, and thorough rinsing. Kopi luwak is predominantly produced in countries like Indonesia and the Philippines, where civet cats are abundant. The beans are sourced from various regions, each contributing its unique flavor profile to the final blend. The production of Kopi luwak is a labor-intensive and time-consuming endeavor. Civet cats are selective in their choice of coffee cherries, resulting in a limited production volume. It's a delicate and precise process, from harvesting to the final preparation. The taste of Kopi luwak is often described as unique and velvety, with hints of chocolate and caramel. It boasts a distinct mild acidity and aroma, making it a favorite among coffee connoisseurs. You might be wondering how much Kopi luwak is produced each year. The annual production varies, but due to the labor-intensive and selective nature of the process, it remains a relatively rare and exclusive coffee. This limited production adds to its allure and contributes to its reputation as the world's most expensive coffee. However, before you reach for your wallet and order Kopi luwak, it's important to note that there are ethical concerns regarding its production. In some cases, civet cats are kept under poor conditions, resulting in animal cruelty. In some instances, civet cats are held in captivity under unsuitable and unhygienic conditions. They may be confined to small cages with insufficient space to move, play, or exhibit their natural behavior. This can lead to physical and mental distress. Civet cats are often fed a diet primarily consisting of coffee cherries. This one-sided diet can lead to health issues and malnutrition among the cats. If you're considering trying Kopi luwak, we recommend seeking out ethically produced variants that adhere to animal welfare standards. This way, you can enjoy this unique coffee without contributing to animal suffering. Fortunately, there are coffee farmers who collaborate with animal welfare organizations to improve the living conditions of civet cats. These producers strive for sustainable and ethical practices, focusing on both high-quality coffee and respect for animal welfare. Additionally, you can opt for Kopi luwak with sustainability certifications, such as Rainforest Alliance or Fair Trade, which promote responsible production practices. That brings us to the end of this exciting journey through the world of Kopi luwak. Thank you for watching. If you found this intriguing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We look forward to seeing you on our next culinary adventure.